Hi, welcome to the Full Stack Data Science course by TechAscent. Here you will learn to develop end-to-end data science projects for a variety of industry problems using machine learning, deep learning, and Python. You will also get hands-on how to deploy and scale these projects on different platforms like web, mobile, and IoT devices. We will start with Python programming, the most popular programming language amongst the data science and machine learning community. Initially, we will cover basic building blocks that will help you to get familiarized with programming constructs used in Python, followed by relatively complex topics that will enable you to write cleaner and modular code for your data science applications. We will switch to data science after Python. Data science is all about analyzing important characteristics of data and create insights out of it. In this course, you will learn about end-to-end data science lifecycle. In exploratory data analysis, we will cover various data investigation techniques using data visualization and statistical methods. In feature engineering, you will see how to create new features from the raw data, which enables machine learning models to achieve higher accuracy. Once the data is analyzed and cleaned, it is fed to machine learning models. These models learn the hidden complex patterns in the data, and without being explicitly programmed, they can make predictions using its previous learning experience. To cover machine learning in depth, we have incorporated important machine learning models that are used for different types of problems like regression, classification, and clustering. Evaluation metrics to measure the accuracy of predictions made by machine learning models. And finally, some approaches to improve performance of machine learning models. Next on the list is deep learning, which is a subset of machine learning. Be it face recognition or voice assistant system, all are applications of deep learning. Deep learning is based on artificial neural networks that are inspired by the structure and function of the human brain. You will learn about what constitutes these artificial neural networks, how they work, and their different types, such as convolutional neural network, which is mostly used for image processing applications, recurrent neural network, which is quite popular for natural language processing and time series based problems, and many more state-of-the-art artificial neural networks that have been recently developed by scientists and engineers. Having their knowledge will further broaden your opportunities in data science field. In this course, you will get chance to learn work on variety of domains and application areas. It will give you better understanding about the problems in these areas and how to develop data science based solution for them. To make you industry ready, we will teach you how to productionize data science and machine learning based solutions. As a part of which, you will learn about several tools and frameworks related to deploying, scaling, and maintaining data science projects. We will also guide you to build a profile on several platforms so that you can showcase your skills to your potential employer. Hi, I'm Nile, the faculty for this course, and I have relevant experience in data science in terms of development, research, and teaching. I strongly believe in more creation rather than just consumption. Hence, apart from live online training sessions, there will be dedicated hands-on coding sessions where you will implement 20 plus applications, projects, and case studies using industry-grade practices. I'm sure this approach of learning by doing will not only improve your coding and analytical skills, but it will also take your confidence to the next level. Sign up for 1 week free trial at TechAscent.in. Last but not the least, I leave you with the list of projects and case studies.